Welcome back children, happy morning. Today we are going to continue chapter 11 employee selection process. In last video we discussed meaning and definition of selection, standard, steps for selection process. In this video we are going to discuss factor influencing the selection process, importance of selection process, difference between selection and requirement, meaning and definition of placement, significance of placement, principles of placement. Factors influencing selection process. There are 5 factors: nature of post, number of candidates, selection policy, cost factor or budget, level of 3 E's, that is educational qualification, experience and exposure. Nature of post. Process of selection varies according to the type of personnel to be recruited. Number of candidates. Selection process depends on the response of candidates to the advertisement for the post. In case of many, shortlisting need to be done. Selection policy. The selection policy and the selection process are interrelated. For example, some organizations go for tougher selection process while some organizations go for shorter method. Cost factor or budget. Longer selection process entails higher cost. Organization which cannot afford large resource tend to shorten the selection process. Level of educational qualification, experience and exposure. The selection process depends on the 3 E's. For example, selection process of finance officer, architect, treasurer, etc. is shorter as only few candidates complete with higher qualification. Good talent, better efficiency, reduced cost of training and development, reduced turnover, job motivation, other benefits. Good talent. Proper selection system enables the organization to appoint talented persons and thereby leads to improved productivity and profitability. Better efficiency. Selection of right person to the right job is sure to produce better quality of work and may facilitate faster achievement of objective. Reduced cost of training and development. Better selection of candidates definitely reduced the cost of training because qualified person have better grasping power. Reduced turnover. Proper selection of candidate contributes to low labor turnover. What is labor turnover? Labor turnover can be defined as the rate of change in the firm's labor force. You need to know the following formula: number of staff leaving by total number of staff into 100. Job motivation. If the right person is selected for the right job, it tends to motivate the person to work more effectively and efficiently. Other benefits. Proper selection of candidates reduce absenteeism. They would pay better attention to their jobs and take safety precautions which minimize workplace accident. Now we'll move on to that. Selection differs from requirement. Requirement and selection play a vital role in the human resource management. These are the two sides of the same coin, but there exists some difference between the two. The difference have been highlighted and the exhibits is given below. Difference between recruitment and selection. Basis meaning it is a activity of establishing contract between employers and applicants. Selection it is a process of picking up more competent and suitable employee. Objective it can encourage large number of candidates for a job. It attempts at rejecting unsuitable candidates. Process it is a simple process. It is a complicated process. Approach it is a positive approach. It is a negative approach. Precedes selection, follows recruitment. Economy it is an economical method. It is an expensive method. Time consuming. Less time is required. More time is required. Now we will discuss placement, significance of placement, principles of placement. Placement. Introduction on placement is an important human resource activity after a candidate has been selected. He or she should be placed on a particular job. In fact, placement signifies placing the right person on the right job in a good manner. Placement. The process of placing the right man on right job is called placement. Placement may also be defined as the determination of the job to which an accepted candidate is to be assigned and is assignment to that job. Significance of placement. The significance of placement is given below. It improves employee morale. It helps in reducing employee turnover. It helps in reducing conflict rate of accident. It avoids misfit between the candidates and the job. It helps the candidate to work as per the predetermined objective of the organization. It involves assigning a specific rank and responsibilities to an individual. It helps to avoid short-term staff shortage. Principles of placement. There are 5 principles that are followed at the time of placement of an employee. Job first, man next. Job offer, terms and conditions, aware about penalties, loyalty and cooperation. Now we'll discuss one by one. Job first, man next. Man should be placed on the job according to the requirements of the job. There is no compromise on the requirement or qualification of the man with respect to job. Job offer. The job should be offered to the man based on his qualification. Terms and conditions. The employee should be made conversant with the conditions and culture prevailing in the organization and all those things relating to the job. Aware about the penalties. The employee should also be made aware of the penalties if he or she commits a wrong or lapse. Loyalty and cooperation. When placing new records on the job, an effort should be made to develop a sense of loyalty and cooperation in him so that he or she may realize his or her responsibilities better towards the job and the organization. Listen, children, in this video we discussed factors influencing the selection process, importance of selection, difference between selection and requirement, meaning and definition of placement, significance of placement, principles of placement. Children, you must learn all the question answer from this lesson. Already I told you to learn few of them. Remaining the rest of the question answer you must complete. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.